Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what is the best way how you can get data in Spain, Barcelona, and also what I think are the best data eSIM providers for Spain. So the first one that I definitely recommend is Maya Mobile. Maya Mobile is an eSIM provider, and what I really like about Maya Mobile is that you can actually check the coverage for Maya Mobile right here. So when I'm gonna click on coverage, I can come here to Spain, and I can actually check what is covered with Maya Mobile. So when you want to go to Barcelona, you see right here that Barcelona is well covered with data and with network for Maya Mobile. This is the first thing. The second thing, go to help and check eSIM compatible phones if your phone is actually compatible with like eSIM, and if it is, then we can continue. Now what you would write here in the search, you would write Spain, and if you're going to use the link down below in the description, you're going to get also 10% off, 10% discount. And here you're going to have option to have 5 days of data, 10 days, 15 days or 30 days of data. So let's say I want to go for 15 days of data because I'm going to be 14 days in Barcelona, in Spain. Here I would click activate now. And then you can have option to choose the starting date, and you see right here that you're going to get 10% discount from me that is going to be for you, and you're going to actually save money. So here you see 10 GB of data for 15 days, 1260. And when we would click review and pay, what would happen is that you're going to get a QR code to your email. And then all you have to do is to scan the QR code and activate the eSIM. I made a full guide, also linked down below in description, on how you can activate the SIM card with Maya Mobile. And now when you would get it and when you would activate everything, you can easily use the data in Spain. Another way how we can do it is using Airalo. And here, same thing, you can have discount and link down below in description. You would click Spain. And now you can have option between 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB of data, 5 GB, 10 GB, 20 GB of data. So here, let's say that you want to go, let's compare the 10 GB plan and for 30 days. So here, 30 days of data, 10 GB cost $13.50 for Maya Mobile. Of course, you can have a discount with Airalo too. And here you can see 10 GB cost $18. So let's compare the networks. Even the networks are the same. So coverage is going to be same. And with Maya Mobile, you're going to actually save money comparing to Airalo. And the whole process with the Airalo is the same, is that you're going to get a QR code that you have to scan and activate the eSIM. So if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. Would be happy to help you. But that's pretty much how it works. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. And have a great day and goodbye.